Welcome to Views AJAX. At least that's what it was called in earlier Drupal versions. It's been a while since I jumped into that part of the Vue territory, so let's see what happens. And what do I mean by that? So we're looking at the First Trillionaire website, and this is a Vue block. The one holding Jeff right here. As you can see, maybe I just minimized it kind of. So if we click next, it's going to do a whole page refresh, which is not great. Same thing if we go back. It's taking quite a while. It is a dev machine, but still. We all know that we can be doing this with XML HTTP or whatever. So how do we do that? We edit the view. Look at that. I found the right quick link right away. And if you don't want to use the quick link, you can go to Manage, Structure, Views, and we're going to close this, make this huge. Try to. And we are in the Views List page. We will find our candidates view. That's the name of the view that's on the home page. And it is a block. So let's edit it. We have a look in advanced. We will find use AJAX. No. So I believe this is the setting we want to update to use and apply. And theoretically, if we save and refresh the home page, it will no longer do a full page refresh when we hit next and previous. Ta-da! That's pretty cool, huh? And it's that simple. Next time.